Jai Shri Gurudev. Good morning, children. Hope you are all fine with your family members. Children, today I am very happy to announce you that we are starting the syllabus right from today onwards. So, hope you have all downloaded the textbook PDF format which I have sent. So, I request all of you to just open the link, download it textbook format and keep ready with the first lesson. Children, today we are discussing about the first lesson in the prose. Before starting the lesson, I would like to give you some introduction. In today's lesson, let's know about a boy who became a hero overnight. Children, all of a sudden if you get a very big surprise, how do you feel? So even the same thing happened here also in this lesson. You just remember your childhood days, some very big surprise or something miracle happened in your life. So remember that the same thing happened here also in this lesson to a boy who became a hero overnight. Within a night, so many changes took place in this boy's life and he became a hero. Is that possible? Yes, it is possible here in this lesson. Now let us come to know about the boy. Who was the boy? So in this lesson we are going to study about the boy. Who is that boy? Was he brave and courageous? So is that boy a coward or a brave person? So let us know that. What was the heroic act? So what did he do to become a great hero overnight? How was he awarded? So after becoming a hero, the awards came to him. How it was possible? So all these things we'll learn in this lesson. So hope you have the PDF format of the textbook first lesson, a hero. Children, this is an extract from Malgudi days. If you observe the picture, this lesson is written by R.K. Narayan. So he was a great writer. Have you read any books of R.K. Narayan? If no, just go through the books of R.K. Narayan. He has written many books, and recently we have the Doordarshan has telecasted the Malgudi Days serial in the TV also. So it was a beautiful, epic serial, and in that the characters are written by R.K. Narayan. So he has written many books. So even this lesson author is R.K. Narayan. Now, before starting the lesson, I want to discuss you about R.K. Narayan, the author. Can you observe the picture here, children? Yes, he is R.K. Narayan. What is R.K.? Rasipuram Krishnaswamy Iyer Narayana Swami, commonly known as R.K. Narayan. So R is Rasipuram Krishnaswamy, K is Krishnaswamy, R.K. Iyer Narayana Swami. This is the full name of R.K. Narayan, but he was commonly known as R.K. Narayan. Was born on 10th October 1906 in Chennai. He was an Indian writer known for his work set in the fictional South India town of Malgudi. So there was a town, Malgudi. In that he was born, that town he took birth, and he was a leading author of early Indian literature in English along with Mulk Raj Anand and Raja Rao. Children, he written many books. He was a good writer also. So, he has written many Indian literature in English along with Mulk Raj Anand and Raja Rao. Whatever he wrote, some of his writings, novels has become the movies also. The producers have selected his literature and made movies. So this was the introduction. This was the brief introduction of R.K. Narayan. Hope you have understood. Now, he is known for a simple and unpretentious writing style. Means he was using very simple language and he was good at writing. A common layman can understand his writing style. He highlights social content and provides a feel for his characters through everyday life. So his architecture, his literature was very simple. Even a common man can understand everything. Whatever we are in our life, whatever we are facing problems in our life, that was highlighted in his literature. So this was the speciality of R.K. Narayan. He used to highlight the problems in the society what we are suffering and he used to show in form of movies, serials, everything. So he has written that, he has highlighted that. So even many producers have come forward to make his novels as movies. Did you understand? Yes. And some of his notable works, very famous works are Swami and his friends. I told you, no children. Previously, I told you about the Malgudi days. This was the full characters of Swami and his friends. So, these characters, many characters played a good role in this act. Swami and his friends, the Bachelor of Arts, the English teacher, the guide. The guide became a movie also, the financial expert. So these are the important books and it is the notable works written by R.K. Narayan. Hope you have understood and you have to remember all these things. Next, not only his works, he has been awarded by many academies like Sahitya Academy Award in 1958 for his novel The Guide. I told you no, this was made a movie. Next, Padma Bhushan in 1964. So he was awarded Padma Bhushan in 1964. He was awarded A.C. Benson Medal by the British Royal Society of Literature in 1980. Children, in 1980, he was awarded by A.C. Benson Medal by British. Next, he has been awarded by Padma Vibhushan in 2001. Again, he was nominated for the Rajya Sabha in 1989. So these are the awards which was grabbed by R.K. Narayan. Next, so all these things were about the author R.K. Narayan. Children, before starting any poem or prose, you are supposed to know the brief introduction about the brief things about the poet or the author. So you are supposed to remember these things before starting a lesson or a poem. Now let us start the lesson. Children, open your textbook, keep in front of you, keep a pencil with you. If you get any doubts, underline that and you can clarify the doubts after completing this session. Can call up and ask me. So let us start the lesson. A Hero, written by R.K. Narayan. Children, look at your textbooks now. A hero. For Swami, events took an unexpected turn. Father looked over the newspaper he was reading under the hall lamp and said, Swami, listen to this. News has been received about the bravery of a village lad who, while returning home by the jungle path, came face to face with a tiger. So this is the first paragraph what you have in the textbook. So what is the scene of this first paragraph? For Swami, events took an unexpected turn. So in Swami's life, so many events happened, took place, and every event took an unexpected turn which was not expected by him. So what is the scene here? Father looked over the newspaper. He was reading under the hall lamp and said, so Swami's father was reading a newspaper in the hall under the lamp, and he said, Swami, listen to this. So he called Swami and told, news has been received about the bravery of a village lad who, while returning home by the jungle path, came face to face with a tiger. So he said this story. See, we have a article here in the newspaper. This is about a bravery of a village lad. Bravery means courage, full, energetic braveness. So full of courage, not a coward. What is the opposite of bravery? Coward, yes. So he was a brave and bold village lad. What do you mean by lad? Yes, boy, a young boy, a village boy. So this article is about a bravery of a village boy who, while going to his home by the jungle path, he came to face with a tiger. When he was returning to his home, he saw a tiger and he faced the tiger directly. See the picture you can see here, the tiger attacking a boy. So the village boy who was going home was attacked suddenly by a tiger. The paragraph described the fight the boy had with the tiger and his flight up the tree, where he stayed half a day until some people came that way and killed the tiger. Children, all of a sudden, if you face such things, what you'll do? If you see a rat or a cat, means you'll run away, is it not? Especially the cockroaches or the lizards will run away, is it not? The same thing here also, Swami, that village lad faced with a tiger, but he couldn't fight with that. So he climbed up a tree. Flight, the meaning of flight here, climbed. He climbed up the tree which was nearby and stayed on the tree until half a day, until some people came in the same way and they killed the tiger. So this was the scene. This was the story which was explained by Swami's father to Swami. Coming to the next paragraph. After reading it through, father looked at Swami fixedly and asked, what do you say to that? So after reading the article, Swami's father fixedly looked him fixedly means he stared him and asked, what do you say to that? Swami said, I think he must have been a very strong and grown up person, not a boy at all. How could a boy fight a tiger? See what is the answer given by Swami. He said that he must be a very strong and grown up person. He is not a young boy. How can a small young boy fight with a tiger? This is a lie. What they have edited in the article is not true. It is a fake statement. Maybe that boy is a grown up person. They have written here everything wrong. How can a small young boy fight with a tiger? This is not the truth. So Swami first argument started with his father. Children, hope you have understood. Let us stop here. I think you have understood about the author and the notable works, awards which he got, and the lesson we have started here. Only 2 paragraphs I have explained. No problem. You just go through this, listen carefully and try to understand. If you get any doubts, you can call up me and ask clear the doubts. Next session will continue the next paragraphs. Thank you, children. Stay safe, stay home.